Today we're working with two pictures. We're going to learn how to erase something, and then we're going to learn how to add text to a picture. First, open up Photoshop, then go to File, Open. Some of you, when you click on this PC, are going to see your name, and that's where your commercial photography folder is. Some of you need to click Desktop to find your commercial photography folder. Inside of that, go to Photoshop Lessons, open up Quote Photo, and then also open up Yearbook Staff. You'll have to open those up probably separately. You can toggle between the two by clicking on the tab with the name. Let's start with Yearbook Staff. We're going to try and erase this fire alarm as if it was never there. There's many ways to zoom in. For this one, you can click the magnifying glass and then click on the fire alarm over and over again until it's about that big. Let's move it down a little bit on the screen. On the left-hand side, choose the one called the Clone Stamp tool. Take your mouse over here. If it's not about that big, I want you to use the brackets next to the letter P and make it about this big. And you can't see what I'm doing on the keyboard, so look down at yours. Next to your space bar, you're going to see the Alt, A-L-T key. Hold down the Alt key, and your mouse is going to change to this target. We're going to click one time there and then let go of the Alt key. What we've basically done is we told Photoshop we want to copy this area, and as I move my mouse over here and click, every time I click, I want you to look for the plus sign on the top right. When you click, it's basically copying and pasting the brick area on top of the fire alarm. Then let's zoom out. A fast way to do that is hold down the Control CTRL key on the left and the number 0 on the top of your keyboard. So now that's basically gone. It's a little off. If I wanted to spend some time and like perfectly copy the grout area and get the right light and shadows, it's fine. But honestly, I just want the red thing gone. So that's how you erase something. File, save a copy. Call this one Yearbook Staff Copy Done, so you know which one to turn in later. Save it and okay. Let's go on to Quote Photo now. We're going to place our name right here in the middle of this sculpture. Click on the text tool, click and drag a box about as big as the sculpture. When you let go, it's going to give you some fake text. Let's go ahead and choose a font, something readable. It really doesn't matter, something you like. Then let's start with 72. We're going to change that size later, and we'll also change the color later. Let's type your name. Then let's highlight it. You can do Control A on the keyboard or highlight it with your mouse like I just did. To change the color, click this box up here, which is probably going to be black or white on yours. Then go up and down on the rainbow, choose a color you like. I'm going to go with red. And once you choose on the rainbow which hue you want or which color you want, then choose do you want light, medium, or dark. I kind of wanted a darker one. Then click OK. And now I want to make it bigger. Sometimes Photoshop doesn't give you the exact number you're looking for. So what you do is you just reach up here, highlight it, and type in, I don't know, any random number you want to, then click Enter. You can also change it to whatever font you want it to be. A quick way to flip through fonts, if you're not sure which one you want, is to just hold your mouse over the font name and it gives you a quick preview. And just keep going until it's one you like. There we go. I like that one. You can make this bigger or smaller. You can also move it. So this is your moving tool, the one that has the plus at the top. Let's move that towards the middle and we're ready. So we just have your name in a font other than black or white, color other than black or white. So I chose red, anything but the default, and pretty big so that it's easily seen. File, save a copy. Call this one, Quote Photo Copy Done, save. And that's the one you turn in on Schoology. Let's turn in both pictures today.